Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another video. So in this lesson we are continuing on with the opponent AI and we're going to start work on filling out the jump functions. I think we'll start with opponent jump up simply because it's the most simple, so let's get that into place. Now we're lucky here because we can come to the player one movement script and we can actually copy and paste a lot of the code. So let's come to player jump and we'll copy everything in the function apart from where we call the animation, because I believe we got that done in the last lesson. So let's find, there we go, opponent jump up. Yes, we did get that line in place, so we can just paste the rest of the code in there and we can begin just swapping out these variables. So let's come up and let's begin with this one, the opponent move direction. So everywhere player one move direction is stated, we can just copy and paste that in. So four places we've copied and pasted that in. So now we need the opponent. Here we go, opponent jump speed. We'll paste that in there and there. Miss one out for opponent move direction there, so we'll just change that. And then this one needs to be the opponent transform, and this one, here we go, opponent collision flags, we need to change that. Opponent controller, and we've just got to keep going. So the opponent's transform, and here obviously we need to change this. So underscore opponent AI state equals the opponent AI state, and we want opponent come down as the function we're changing to. So let's just paste that in. So with that in place, let's go through the comments quickly. That comment is fine. Need to change this to opponent's move direction, opponent's transform. I'll tidy those up. These all just need tidying. This needs to be opponent controller by the move direction. This line I'm going to break up for commenting. So I've entered just before the greater than or equal sign. Let's paste that in. If player one transform is, let's cut the rest of that comment. We'll paste it in below. Greater than or equal to the jump height. opponent AI states, and I've already copied and pasted in opponent come down. So let's come to the player one's come down, and we'll copy all of that. Obviously we're not calling another animation here, so let's just get that in place. And we can just go through and change everything that needs to be changed again. So let's have a look. We need to get rid of that closed bracket. And let's go through now and change everything again. So player one move direction becomes opponent move. Again here and here. So that is now in place. So what did I call this? I think I might, yeah, called it opponent's vertical speed. That's where the naming convention doesn't really tally with what we've used in the play one movement, so I may have to change that, but we'll do that later. So set the move direction. Well, now I've broken up this line to defined by vector 3 on that line. Opponents move direction. We need to change this to the opponent transform. Change it in the comments as well. Opponent's collision flag. Opponent's controller. So let's paste both of those in. Just go through the comments. Opponent's controller by move direction, that can remain the same if opponent is grounded. Then set the opponent AI states and I'll just copy and paste the line from the previous one. So opponent AI state, opponent idle. And let's tidy up this comment. Just get rid of the empty line there. So we can save that off there. So I don't want to start fleshing out the other functions because I prefer to do them all separate in their own lesson. But let's have a look. Something else we can do in this lesson is I'm going to copy one of the animation clip lines. Let's paste that in. So opponent, and we'll change this to punch left to assign the opponent punch left animation. Let's just copy that entire line. Obviously we're going to change left to right. We'll also do that in the comments. And the next one, kick, and I'll put the high kick first. Get rid of both of those and put in high kick. Fix that typo there. And let's finally copy that line. We'll change high to low. And change it in the comments also. So let's just save that off there. I don't think we'll bother just testing the jump and the come down as of yet. Let's get the others in place and we'll test it all in one go. But we know this code works anyway because it's the same code as we've used for the player. So no great necessity for that. And we might as well come down to the bottom. We'll copy one of the animation voids. Let's just paste that in 4 times. And we'll just swap these out. So the first one, opponent punch left arm. Obviously I've got rid of the underscore and used capital. Crossfade in. Oh, I never changed the comments for that. Never mind, we'll do that now. Opponent punch left arm. Crossfade in. Punch left animation. We'll just go through and quickly change these comments. Jump, walk, that's correct. Yep, it just looks like that's the one I missed. So let's copy that same naming convention in below. We'll change it to right, punch right. Change that in the debug log. Change that, the animation, what we're calling, let's put that in the comments also. Let's change this to opponent kick high animation. And we're nearly there now, so we'll change what animation we're calling to kick high. And finally, for the last one, let's copy and paste in the naming convention. Change high to low. So we're almost done now. Opponent kick low animation. Just tidy up those comments and change to kick low. So we've got a few more animations in place. We've got some code for the jump up and for the come down. And we'll pick this up in the very next lesson, and hopefully we can begin filling out some of these other functions. But as always, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope to see you next time, And until then, as always, bye for now.